Hi, anyone and everyone. This is Kim, the Humble Hermit from Come As You Are Oracle. I am going to do a collective oracle and affirmations for today. Today is Thursday. It's Thursday. It's June 4th, 2026. You may follow me on the Talk the Tube, my blog, or not. Totally up to you. Take what resonates. It all might resonate. It's affirmations. We're going to be using the Folk Birds Oracle by Hattie Thorne. You can find this at hattiethorne.com. You can find it in her Etsy shop. We got one on the table. Two on the table. Three on the table. Two more shuffles. Four on the table. Five on the table. There's always something that I don't know how to pronounce. There's always something. Last shuffle. Six on the table. Seven with bottom of the deck. We've got Dove, Harmony. Trust in the power of love to heal and bring harmony to your life. We've got Eagle, Strength. Rise above adversity. Trust in your innate strength and see challenges as opportunities. We got Toucan, Individuality. Celebrate your individuality and share your vibrant personality with the world. This is the one I don't know how to spell or pronounce. Kestrel, Attunement. Pause, observe, and act only when the moment is right. I call that restraint. I call that restraint. We've got Pigeon, Simplicity. Remember the importance of home, love, and finding peace in the simplicity of things. There's a word missing there. She forgot the word of. Robin, Renewal. New beginnings and renewal are on the horizon. I know I got problems. You always can tell when somebody's a writer because they got like grammar issues and all this stuff. I was editing my book yesterday and I think I'm done. Like I wanted to add like a part to a chapter in there, but I couldn't figure out where to put it. And in actuality, it would be just fine being in the next book. So I think I'm just going to leave it out. So I think I'm done. But it was funny because yesterday I was going through and I was looking at specific chapters that I wanted to like rework, take things out, that kind of stuff. And I kept finding like grammar mistakes. And I was like, it has to be the iPad. Like it is not me. Like I would not have done that. Like I would not. I was losing it because I kept finding them, like just little mistakes. Bottom of the deck, we've got Pelican, Generosity. Be generous and trust that you will receive what you need. Maybe I'm going to be nitpicky today. Probably technically nitpicky every day. All right, I'm going to leave that there for you. Take how it resonates. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope, if anything, you were entertained. I hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. Let me know if something happens today. I swear to God, I heard it 2 or 3 times yesterday. Again, Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Okay, like how many times are you going to tell me that? Like when is something going to happen? something good. I want something good to happen. All right. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.